Welcome to my daily HR metrics series by Nicolas Behbahani. How many pulse surveys, town halls, and anonymous feedback forms does your company have? Now ask yourself, do your employees actually believe you are going to do anything with this data? Gallup just released a massive new study on what makes communities thrive, and the findings offer a brutal reality check for corporate leadership. We are obsessed with buying new feedback tools, but we are completely failing to build trust. To understand the disconnect, your people analytics team needs to measure the employee agency void. Look at the Gallup data. Up to 78% of people say there are formal opportunities to speak up or share feedback. But here's the fatal flaw. Just 34% actually agree that if they shared an idea, somebody would listen to them. Even worse, 61% don't trust their leaders to act in their best interest. We have built a culture of performative listening. When you launch a survey but fail to act, you don't just waste time, you destroy employee agency. The data shows that when people feel pushed by circumstances beyond their control, only 25% are thriving. But what happens when leadership actually listens? It's a massive performance multiplier. Individuals who are confident that their leaders will take their ideas seriously are about twice as likely to feel motivated to give back and improve their environment, jumping from 37% to 72%. You don't need another engagement survey tool. You need to prove that your frontline, that their voices actually influence corporate strategy. Do your employees have true agency, or are they just shouting in their void? Let me know in the comments below and hit subscribe for tomorrow's metric. For your daily dose of learning people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicolas Behbahani.